Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix setup password to lock this chat WhatsApp problem. So if you're trying to set up a lock on your WhatsApp chat and if it's not being able to do that, then what you can do is simply open up your settings, scroll down, go for apps. Now go for WhatsApp or open up your WhatsApp on your settings and go for storage and cache and then go for clear cache. Once you have cleared your cache, now you can remove that and then you can open up your WhatsApp application, and here you can simply open any chat. And once you open the chat, now you can go for their profile or their name, tap on that and scroll down, and here you will have chat lock option. Tap on that and then toggle that on, and once you have toggled that on, now tap on continue, which is on the bottom, and you need to enter like your Face ID or your fingerprint or your lock of your mobile device. And once you have done that, now you have created your password on your WhatsApp chat. So that's how you can fix the problem. And if you have any question, feel free to comment below. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.